welcome back to the channel. Today is a What Did You Buy Wednesday. So before we get going with everything, anybody that wants a shop card, give me a shout out. I'll send you a shop card. We swap them. If you don't have one to swap, I'll still send you one. I got a few of them left. I got to get rid of these before I can get a new one. So anybody want a swap card? There they are. Alrighty. First things first. You guys know I like my little Hot Wheels. And my son brought me this one here by a nice little square body. What does that say? 83 Silverado. Pretty nice little deal. And he brought me this little wagon here. Cool little ride. And last and least, but this one here was given to me by a coworker. Let me see if I can get this a little bit higher up where you can see it. This one here was given to me by a coworker. Pretty cool car. I guess let me get you a little bit better picture of these. Yeah, I like the little Hot Wheels. Now later on, I'm going to be building me a building, and I'm going to have me a Hot Wheels layout in there. That's what those are for. Alrighty, some updates too. Well, nope, got a few more. Hold on. Now, everybody's been seeing the that new chrome that they got going around, and I bought me two of these here Fusion Firm chrome kits. Now let me show you guys something. This right here, I don't know how well you guys can see it, but everything that you see shiny come out of that. Come on, get a little bit better here. There we go. Now this right here, this kit right here, this engine came from MCB Products. It's this one right here. And that's the kit that I built up. And that's what it looked like. Now this stuff right here, let me put that engine over there out of the way. I ordered a set of wheels for a build I'm building. This is the beauty bands on it. I'm telling you, that stuff is nice. It's chrome. Now, this is the little scoop that I did. I did this 2 days ago. It's nice. It does really good work. Let me open one to show you. Now the thing about them is, I haven't used this yet. Inside of here, the little brush that comes on the end, it will fall off. And just to let you guys have an idea of what it looks like. That's on the inside of the cap. And this is inside the bottle. It's basically just like liquid chrome. I mean, it does not disappoint. So if you guys hadn't got this yet, this stuff right here, y'all need to get some of that right there. And I'm understanding they have it in gold too, so if you hadn't got it, you probably need to get it. I did buy a set of the rally wheels here. There we go. I painted them silver this morning. These come from Mean Machine models.com, or you can get them on Etsy. I get mine from Etsy. Got another couple of sets in the whatchamacallit, shopping cart. Had to think there for a second. Sorry about that. But this is my What Did You Buy Wednesday. Hope you guys like it. Like I say, anybody want a shop card, let me know. I'll get you one. Anybody that likes the chrome, wants stuff chrome, you definitely need to get that right there. That stuff works. It looks good. Super pleased with it. Got mine off of Amazon. Alrighty. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you for all my subscribers. And everyone, I'll see y'all on the next one.